If you're looking to enhance your Helpdesk support system, GoTo Resolve could be a game changer. It promises to streamline your IT support process, but how well does it actually deliver? In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into what GoTo Resolve brings to the table, where it excels, and where it might fall short. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of whether it's the right fit for your business, or if another tool might be a better choice. First up, GoTo Resolve simplicity is one of its biggest draws. Setting up and using the platform doesn't require a steep learning curve. The interface is clean, user-friendly, and easy to navigate, which is great if you don't have a dedicated IT team or if you're just getting started with a helpdesk solution. For businesses that don't have the time to train staff or adjust to complex systems, this simplicity is a major advantage. Next thing, GoTo Resolve shines when it comes to remote support. Its remote control feature allows IT teams to quickly diagnose and resolve issues by taking control of a user's device. This can save a lot of time compared to troubleshooting over the phone or email. It's particularly useful for handling complex issues that would otherwise require an in-person visit. However, it's important to note that while this feature works well for standard support, more advanced remote troubleshooting tools can be found in competitors' offerings. The third thing to consider is its ticketing system. GoTo Resolve does a decent job of managing support tickets and organizing them by priority. You can assign tickets, track their progress, and ensure nothing gets overlooked. But when compared to other helpdesk software like Freshdesk or Zendesk, GoTo Resolve's ticketing system isn't as feature-rich. It lacks some advanced automation and reporting tools that other platforms offer, which could limit its scalability for larger teams. Moving on to reporting and analytics, GoTo Resolve provides basic insights into the performance of your helpdesk team, such as ticket volume and response time. But it doesn't offer the depth that some competitors provide, like detailed customer satisfaction reports or real-time dashboard insights. If data-driven decision-making is a priority for your business, this could be a drawback. Now let's talk about integrations. GoTo Resolve does integrate with essential tools like Google Workspace and Microsoft 365, but when compared to the flexibility of other platforms like Zendesk, you might find it lacking in terms of third-party integrations. If your business relies on a wide range of software, this could limit your workflow automation and overall productivity. The fifth thing, scalability. GoTo Resolve works well for small to mid-sized businesses, but it might not be the best option for enterprises that need highly customizable workflows, advanced user permissions, or extensive reporting. For larger teams, it could feel a bit too basic in certain areas. Lastly, GoTo Resolve offers a good support team and plenty of resources to help you make the most of the software. The downside here is that while customer support is solid, the options for self-service troubleshooting are a bit limited compared to some of the bigger players in the market. If you prefer to solve problems on your own with in-depth knowledge bases and community forums, you may find GoTo Resolve a little restrictive. So, is GoTo Resolve the ultimate solution for your helpdesk? It's definitely a strong contender for small to mid-sized businesses, especially those looking for an easy-to-use platform with essential features like remote support and ticket management. But if your goal is advanced reporting, automation, or integrations with a wider range of tools, you might want to explore other options. That's where the competition comes in. There are other helpdesk solutions, like Freshdesk or Zendesk, that offer more extensive features tailored for growing teams. And here's the kicker. Through the link in the description, you'll not only get an exclusive extended free trial to GoTo Resolve, but also access to other amazing alternatives that might better fit your needs. With these alternatives, you'll get everything you need to enhance your helpdesk support system, and more, with a free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Check out the link, start your trial, and make an informed choice for your business.